In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily use Docusign Notary. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the system with ease, whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher. By the end of this session, you'll be comfortable using all the essential features Docusign has to offer for notary purposes. To get started, first head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Docusign URL, or simply searching for Docusign in your search engine and clicking on the link. Docusign is the industry leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for all your document signing needs. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you're already a registered user, click on the Login button. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Logging in gives you access to all your documents and settings, including the notary features we'll be exploring. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign home. This is your central dashboard where you can manage documents, check notifications, and access various features. From here, locate and click on your profile. This is usually represented by an icon or your initials, often in the top navigation bar. Clicking on your profile takes you to your personalized settings. Within your profile settings, look for the option labeled Notary Profile. Here is where you can manage all notary related details. Clicking on Notary Profile opens up a new menu, allowing you to proceed with your notary registration if you haven't done so already. To register as a notary within Docusign, click on the Register button you'll find in this section. Registration is important to enable you to carry out notary functions and ensures that your credentials are up to date and stored within the system. After registering, the next step is to create a jurisdiction. This feature allows you to specify the geographical area in which you're authorized to notarize documents. Click on the Create Jurisdiction button to establish where you'll be performing your notary services. Make sure to provide accurate details, as this information is crucial for compliance and ensuring your services are legitimate and recognized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your Docusign Notary profile. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to navigate and utilize the key features necessary for efficient document notarization. I hope this guide has been helpful and simplifies your experience with Docusign. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined experience of using Docusign Notary.